Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am gonna be braiding Prettyimisi's hair. I just conditioned her 4C hair to give me a very good texture to work with. It's my pleasure to partner with Waviyhair. So in this video I'm using Waviy human braiding extensions. There is a pouch that comes with the package that contains a crochet pin, hair clips, and a few colorful hair bands. By merely touching the hair, you can tell it is so soft. I just confirmed that myself. It is so soft, and I'm gonna be using 2 bundles of the body wave in this video and 1 bundle of the kinky coily. The 3 bundles are 18 inches long. You can use this hair for any style: goddess braids, box braid, twist, cornrows. Any style is gonna just be perfect. But for this video I am making Bohemian braids for my precious daughter. I feel this extension is gonna be perfect for this hairstyle, and I just went ahead to condition the extension using my liquid hair conditioner to control the flyaways. I usually love picking the top part of the human hair so it comes out straight like the end part, so I just went ahead to do that. Give it a nice brushing and also oiled it to keep the hair in place. And for the kinky coily, I'm gonna be picking 1 strand at a time and then separating it into 6 other strands to attach as a wing on each of the braids, and that is where the name comes from, Bohemian braid. So you have a single braid and then has wings. Yeah, so I'm using the kinky coily as the wings there. And here everyone, I'm just gonna start braiding my daughter's hair. And this is what it looks like. You could say that's Bohemian cute braids, and I'm gonna be showing us how I achieved that look. So I picked 1 strand and then wove it around the hair. I made the hair like the 3rd strand, and then picked another strand to attach on the floating hair to make it equal. So I have 3 equal strands to weave it. Then I'm gonna start picking the kinky coily. I parted into 6. I attached the first one, I wove it a little, and then I attached the second one in an alternating manner, so that way the kinky coily doesn't stay on one side. So I'm just gonna keep doing it until I attach the 6th kinky coily, so that way it comes like 3 on one side, 3 on the other side in an alternating manner. Also make sure that when you're attaching the kinky coily, the flat end of the kinky coily is woven into the braid and not the coily part. So the coily part is the one showing outside, and then the flat part is woven in. So you have to like note that when you are placing the kinky coily on the extension, so it makes it look good and not the flat part that is showing. When I was done attaching the old kinky coily and braided it to the end, I just knotted it. Alright everyone, this is so simple, and my daughter is beginning to look gorgeous. We're not done making the hair yet, but it's beginning to look like it. It's looking so cute, and this hair is so awesome. It was very easy for me to use it. It was very easy for me to work with the hair. I think my daughter enjoyed the braiding section because the hair was not irritating on her skin. It was just like a baby hair on her skin, so she wasn't so much bothered with me using an extension with her. So she stayed all through, although we're taking breaks in between, but she really was patient with making this hair. All right, everyone, we're done making the hair. Oh my gosh, this hair looks so cute, better than the way I had envisaged it. I mean, this hair is awesome. So what I'm doing right now is to pick out the tip of the braids, leaving the kiki coily out of it. So I'm just gonna secure the tip using the coily rod in hot water, so that way it comes out secured. I know she's a child. I don't want her, messing up with the tips of the hair, so it loosening up or whatever. So I just want to make sure, I'm doing what is right here by securing the tip of the hair and making sure it is well secured so it can last long. I mean, she's gonna take this hair forever because this hair looks so cute. It looks so gorgeous, everyone. I was thinking, oh, maybe I should have done this hair on my hair, but honestly, I mean, I made the best decision. So an adult can actually use this hair. Yes, you could make this hair on yourself or take it to your braider to braid it for you. I mean, this style is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. You can't wait to see the final look of this hair. Oh my goodness, you can't wait to see this. I love it so much. So next is to just dip it in hot water, which I'm doing right here. I think my daughter was so patient. She already informed her, hey, there's hot water behind you, so you have to keep still and allow us dip this into hot water. So when I was done, I just applied spray gel to keep the hair in place, and then yeah, that was it. All right, everyone, here comes the final look, and my daughter is looking absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. She looks so gorgeous. Well, I tried styling the hair, but she wanted the hair down, so I just showed a few hairstyle ideas I tried on her hair, but unfortunately she wanted the hair down. These are some of the styling ideas I showed in this video. I felt like these styles are great, you know, with a child. Look at that, we were struggling here. I was like, oh, this looks good, but she wanted the hair down, and eventually we left the hair down. Guys, anyone can rock this hairstyle, you know, it's so cute on anyone. I mean, Bohemian Braids is just so awesome. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.